Hello, Namaste, good day to one and all. In this English grammar lesson, you will learn how to use the words for, since and during in English. These simple words are difficult for learners because they have similar meaning but are used differently. These words confuse the learners. So it is important to understand how they are used and the grammar rules with each of them. Now, in this video, I am talking about how do I use for, since and during properly, correctly in a sentence. They are prepositions of time. We often use for, since and during when we talk about time and verb tenses. Tense means time. Present time, past time, future time. Now, the first word for. It is used for a period of time, duration of time, length of time. For is used with any tense. It can be present, past, future tense. For answers the question, how long? For example, he was with me for 15 minutes. For how long? Length of time is 15 minutes. He was with me for half an hour. Duration of time, half an hour. For a month, for 5 years. For how long? 5 years. A few more examples for use of for. So remember, for is used for duration of time or length of time. Sonam has lived there for 3 years. For how long? For 3 years. Raman has been living here for many years. Period of time? Many years. The child has slept for 2 hours. Length of time? 2 hours. For 2 hours. We haven't done any work for a month. For how long? For a month. Now the next word is the use of since in a sentence. Since is used for a definite point of time, for starting point of time or an action or event. We use since with a point in time in the past and normally use with present, past and future tense. They are also used with perfect and continuous tenses. So since is used to describe an action or situation that began in the past and continues in the present. For example, he has been with me since Sunday, since yesterday, since Diwali, since 2020, since the 1st of June. So since last Sunday in the past to the present now. Yesterday to the present now. The road has been closed since 1st of June. 1st of June to the present time. We worked here since 2012. He has been a teacher since 1983. Since start point of time 1983 and till now he is working. They have been waiting since 9 o'clock. From 9 o'clock till now they have been waiting. A point to note here. Both since and for also have other meanings with reference to time. Since they hadn't studied, they didn't pass the exam. This is for him. Now the third word, during. During is used for a set period of time. That is start time and finish time. Set period of time, that is starting point, and the finish time. During is used to talk about when something that happened from the beginning to the end of the period. It doesn't tell us how the incident or event or activity happened. During is used with a noun. It answers the question when. People often confuse when to use for and during. So let me give examples of the use of during. It can be used in the present, past or future action. During the interview, they asked me about my previous job. Length of time might be 1 hour or 2 hours, that is an interview length of time. So during that period, they asked me questions about my previous job. She swims every day during the vacations. During the summer, she worked as a typist. When did she work? Set period of time. During summer, that is 3 months, beginning till the end. She worked as a typist. During the exams, students cannot speak. Set period of time. The exam time might be 2 hours, 3 hours. During that 2-3 hours, students are not supposed to talk. I hope it was interesting. The recap with examples. I was learning for 2 hours. I have been learning since yesterday. During my lunchtime, I was preparing for the class. Thank you for watching. Please try the assessment test and the answer is given below after the test. I am Padma. Please subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching this video.